In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best GoPro discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for GoPro discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 30% discount off your purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy and you can use this one in order to get a 30% discount. Also going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmino.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes as well that we can use for some discounts. So right here, for example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount off your purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And here is the promo code right here that you can copy and you can use this promo code in order to get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.